Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 9.2. The question is that which would require a greater force? Here there are two situations. First one is accelerating a 2 kg mass at 5 meter per second square, or the second case is a 4 kg mass at 2 meter per second square. Here let us understand the question. In both of these cases, which one would require a greater force? That means we are asked to find the force for which mass and acceleration both are required. Here mass of the first object is 2 kg. Let us consider it as mass of the first object. So let us consider it as m1. And here acceleration of the first object is, for example, a1. Whereas in the second case 4 kg mass. So here 4 kg is the mass of the second object m2. Here 2 meter per second square is second acceleration of the second object. Now here let us start solving this problem. Given, so let us write directly m1 is 2 kg and a1 is 5 meter per second square. Right. So let us find here force. Force denoted by F, but here as we are finding for the first case, let us consider it as F1. So F1 formula is m1 into a1. Let us substitute these values. So here m1 is 2 kg into a1. a1 is 5 meter per second square. Now we multiply 2 kg into 5 meter per second square. 2 5s are 10. Let us add the units. Kg meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. We can replace this one with Newton. So here this is simply 10 Newton. Now let us enter the second case. So here we can write also given second mass, that is m2 is 4 kg and the acceleration, that is a2, is of 2 meter per second square. Let us find the force now. Force in fact denoted by capital F, but as there are two cases, first case is taken as F1, so let us consider the second force as F2. F2 is m into a, means m2 into a2. Here it is m1 into a1. So m2 into a2, let us substitute the values. m2 is 4 kg into a2 is 2 meter per second square. On multiplication 4 2s are 8. Let us see units. Kg into meter per second square. Kg into meter per second square. Let us write 8 as it is. This one can be replaced with Newton. Now finally here see the question, which would require a greater force? In both the conditions, whose force is greater? See here now, F1 is 10 Newton, F2 is 8 Newton. Clearly 10 is greater than 8. So we can write clearly F1, that is 10 Newton, is greater than F2, that is 8 Newton. So we can say that in the first case the force would be greater. So let us write now, let us copy the question once again. Thus, or we can say therefore, let us copy the first case because here we get the F1 is more. So let us write accelerating, that is a 2 kg mass, at 5 meter per second square, would require a greater force, So with this example 9.2 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.